Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps so you can drop a pin immediately. Make sure location services are enabled in settings because Maps needs your position. Once done, tap the search bar only if you want to jump to a different area. Otherwise, use 2 fingers to pan and zoom the map to the exact region. Make sure the map view is stable and not still moving from inertial scroll, because precise placement matters when you tap and hold to create the pin. Now press and hold directly on the spot you want. A red pin will appear and a place card will show at the bottom. If the pin isn't perfect, drag the map beneath it or tap and hold again to fine-tune. Zoom closer so the drop aligns with the road or building you mean. After the pin lands, swipe up on the place card to see coordinates, save, label, or share. The card is where you control what happens next and why each option is useful. Finish by saving or sharing. Tap Save to add the pin to favorites or create a custom label so you can find it later, or choose Share to send exact coordinates via messages or mail. If you need directions from the pin, tap Directions and pick a transport mode. If the pin won't drop or the app behaves oddly, force quit Google Maps and reopen it, and make sure location services are allowed. If that fails, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.